ultimately, this is what we say. Lot is righteous because the Lord declared him to be righteous. That's the same way that any of us will be declared righteous by God himself. The same way that his uncle Abraham was declared to be righteous by faith. God accounted it to him for righteousness' sake. Abraham believed God. We can all look at our own hearts and our lives and we can say something like this: how does God consider me to be righteous? This is not to say that we've done the same things as Lot. Maybe we've done worse than Lot. The only answer is, in our bewilderment, is only because of the imputed righteousness of God's Son. I have no righteousness of my own to bring. It's all from Christ. It's all been imputed to me. It's all, as the Puritan said, an imputed or a foreign righteousness. It comes from outside of me. All of my righteousnesses are like what? Filthy rags. Only because of the imputed righteousness of Christ, I am declared righteous by God. It's by his will and by his decree, by his mercy, by his salvation. It's the only way anyone will be declared righteous, including Abraham, Lot, you, and me.